funny. It's not. This is Patrick at Sage Auto Repair talking to you about the fluids today, about where they are and what they do real quick here. When you open your hood, this is a basic underhood engine setup. Brake fluid is almost always right in front of the driver, right in the back. Brake fluid right here. We have transmission fluid, dipsticks. Most have dipsticks, some do not. This particular one says transmission fluid right on it. It'll also have information about how to check your transmission fluid level and what type of fluid goes in, written either on the dipstick or actually written right into the metal on the stick. We have engine oil, which is in front, almost always a yellow dipstick, not always in front. That'll take a look and check how full the oil is. Over on the side has a couple of hoses. This is antifreeze. This is where your coolant goes. Coolant antifreeze, same thing. It's got a low level and a high level on it. As long as the coolant is between those two levels, it's fine. That's low and high, because low is when it's cold. High is when it's hot. It'll expand. Anywhere between those two is fine. Lastly, windshield wash will always have a blue lid on the top. This particular one doesn't have one, but it'll have a blue lid on top. Make sure you're not adding windshield wash to any other fluid, because if you make that mistake, you're going to really have some problems. Lastly, the place where you add engine oil is a cap. It'll almost always say what type of oil goes in your vehicle. So that's where all the fluids are. Well, at least on this car, yours is probably fairly simple, or similar, I should say. And let's wrap this up. Have a great day.